Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about metabolic cooking. It is an ebook that teaches you how to cook healthy and tasty meals that help speed up metabolism and promote weight loss. The ebook was created by Brent Jakubczak, a professional nutritionist and chef. It has helped thousands of women who feel the desire to lose weight. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remembering that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about how to take better care of yourself and have a healthier life. What is it? Metabolic Cooking is an ebook that promises to help people lose weight quickly and healthily. The ebook was created by Brent Jakubczak, a nutritionist and personal trainer with over 20 years of experience. Metabolic cooking is based on the concept that metabolism is primarily responsible for weight loss. The ebook teaches how to speed up metabolism so that the body burns more calories even at rest. The ebook is divided into 4 parts. Introduction. In this part, Jakubczak introduces the concept of metabolism and how it affects weight loss. Basics. In this part, Jakubczak explains the basics of metabolic cooking, including choosing the right ingredients and preparing meals. Recipes. In this part, Jakubczak presents more than 100 metabolic recipes, including main dishes, side dishes, snacks and desserts. Tips. In this part, Jakubczak offers tips to follow the metabolic cuisine and achieve your goals of P. Benefits. Metabolic cooking promises a number of benefits, including weight loss. The ebook claims that it can help people lose weight and lose weight in a healthy way. Improving health. Metabolic cooking can also improve health in several ways, including reduced risk of heart disease, reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, reduced risk of certain types of cancer, improved control of blood sugar, improvement of mood, the improvement of sleep. What is the difference between the Metabolic Cooking ebook and other products? Metabolic Cooking ebook offers a number of advantages, including Receptionist. The ebook includes over 100 metabolic recipes, which are delicious and easy to make. Information. The ebook provides information on the basics of metabolic cooking and how it can help you lose weight and lose weight. Follow-up. Jakubczak supports readers through a Facebook group and a support site. Disadvantages of the Metabolic Cooking ebook. The Metabolic Cooking ebook may also have some disadvantages, including cost. The ebook is paid. Time. The ebook may require significant time to read and follow. Food restriction. The ebook restricts the intake of some foods. Warranty. The ebook Metabolic Cooking offers 100% guarantee for your customers of 60 days for product return. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 60 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions and questions as to why. Conclusion. Write here in the comments your opinion about the ebook Metabolic Cooking and if you like this idea. If you like the ebook Metabolic Cooking, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire. Kisses and see you next time.